first thing I'm doing is taking all the staples out of the back here, because apparently there's a few staples in here. And these old BMC vice grips, so they got the round edge on it. Know what I like them for? You tighten them up. You clamp them, well, first you get them to clamp. Clamp them on, I've used these before. Put them on there and they got a nice little bite to them. Of course, I feel like the village liar. Anyway. Well, these ones don't have a bite. God damn. Prove myself a liar. Probably the other ones. Hold on. These are BMC number 9 pliers. I've used these. I don't know which ones I used, but you get a nice bite on them, see? They had a round edge, and you just kind of pull staples out. I pulled staples out with these before. That's why I know they work. The other ones don't seem to. Oh well, that one's kind of a. See, and they just kind of roll. So when you pull them, you can just roll it like this. And a lot of times, this one ripped right out of the top because it's a bad staple. So I'm gonna check for staples. So when I use the router on this thing, I don't screw it up. There we go. No more staples. So that's done. Stay tuned.